Okay, happy birthday, Nay. Blow your candle.
In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change your name to beautiful.
Don't worry about that extra line that's creeping up upon your face. It's just a part of nature's way to say you've grown a little more. Trees have rings and thicker branches. Kids' shoes get a little tighter. Every year we're getting closer to who we're gonna be. It's time to celebrate the story of how you've come to be. Happy birthday!
And this surprise is from Renee and Era. Happy birthday!
We've shared together all the fun we've had. You're such a blessing, such a joy in my life. May the good Lord bless you, and may all your dreams come true.
And this surprise is from Renee and Era. Happy birthday!
You should change your name to laughter. You bring joy to every room. Oh, the voices vanish after hearing such a lovely tune. In a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change your name to beautiful. You should change your name to blues. Make tears.
Okay, happy birthday, Nay. Blow your candle. Okay, let's take a quick picture na. Ito ka, Nay.
Have you with me every time I fall. In a world that's so imperfect, I know you will try to fix it. You should change your name to beautiful. I don't think you minded if I change your name to something new. Would you think it childish if I changed my name to I love you?